Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Moel and today I'm going to explain about data structures in Python, um, especially list, tuple, dictionary and set. So we will discuss about one by one. First, we will see about introduction. So, data structures are used to organize and store data in a proper way. They help in improving the efficiency of programs. Python provides built-in data structures which are easy to use and they are very powerful. So, first is list. List, it is an ordered collection and mutable data structure. Mutable means we can change its elements. Also, list is represented using the square brackets. Here, it does not allows the duplicate values. For example, we can store marks or shopping items in a list. Now we will see about list operations. So what are operations to be performed on a list? So first is append, which is used to add element. Second is insert, to add at a specific position. uh, Next is remove to delete element. Next is pop to remove last element, and sort, it is used to arrange all the elements. This operation may list very flexible. Now next we will discuss about tuples. So tuple is also an ordered data structure, which is represented using the square brackets. So tuple is mutable data structure. Immutable data structure, that means once created we cannot change it again and again. It allows duplicate values. It is used where data should not be changed. Some of the tuple features are tuple is faster than list and more secure because it cannot be modified. It is used for fixed data like date of birth or coordinates. It also supports indexing like list. Now, next is dictionary. Dictionary is a data structure which is represented using the curly brackets. It stores data in the form of keys and value pairs. A dictionary stores data in the form of key and value pairs. So here each key is unique, used to access values. For example, student, name and age can be stored in dictionary. It is very useful for structured data. Now, some of the dictionary operations are keys. Keys is used to return all keys. Values are used to return all values. Get function is used to access values. Update is used to modify the data, and pop is used to delete the item. These operations make dictionary very powerful. Now, next is set. Set is an unordered data collection. Here, it does not accept the duplicate values. It is mutable, but the element must be unique. For used for unique data storage. Um, it is mainly used when we need only unique elements. For example, remove duplicates elements from a list. Some of the operations performed on the list are add. Add element. Here, add is used to add the element. Remove is used to remove the element. Union, combine all sets. Intersection, find the common elements. Now next we will see the comparison table about list, dictionaries, tuple and set. So list are ordered, mutable, and it accept the duplicate values. Tuples are ordered and they are immutable. Dictionary stores the values in the data in the form of key and value pairs. Set unordered होता है and unique values accept करता है. Final conclusion is that um, Python data structures are very powerful for managing data efficiently. Each has its own significance and is used in different situations. It also help in efficient programming, also used in real world. Thank you.